Benefits of taking fish oil with source. Benefits: may support heart health, may help treat certain mental disorders, may aid weight loss, may support eye health, may reduce inflammation, may support healthy skin, may support pregnancy and early life, may reduce liver fat, may improve symptoms of depression, may improve attention and hyperactivity in children, may help prevent symptoms of mental decline, may improve asthma symptoms and allergy risk, may improve bone health. Sports Research Omega-3 Fish Oil Triple Strength Review. Description: made with AlaskOmega from wild Alaska Pollock. IFOS 5-star certified fish oil. Dietary supplement. Made with non-GMO ingredients. Gluten-free. GMP certified. Third-party tested certified. Certified Sustainable Seafood MSC. Advanced Molecular Distilled and Purified. Exceeds Global Organization for EPA and DHA. 100% sourced and made in the USA. Sports Research Omega-3 fish oil contains ultra-concentrated levels of EPA and DHA, 937 milligrams, in each fish gelatin softgel. Sourced from cold water, wild-caught Alaska Pollock, not from farm-raised fish. Suggested use: as a dietary supplement, healthy adults take 1 to 2 liquid softgels daily with food. Best when taken as directed by a qualified healthcare professional. Other ingredients: softgel capsule, fish gelatin, vegetable glycerin, purified water, natural mixed tocopherols, IP certified. Allergen warning: contains fish, Alaska Pollock. Not manufactured with milk, eggs, crustacean shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy or gluten. Produced in a third-party, audited and registered GMP-compliant facility that may process other products that contain these allergens or ingredients. Warnings: caution, keep out of reach of children and pets. Consult with a qualified healthcare professional prior to using this product, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have diagnosed medical conditions, or taking prescription medications, for example blood thinners, or are planning a surgical procedure. Do not exceed recommended daily intake. Do not use if safety seal is damaged or missing. Store at room temperature, in a dry place. Protect product from excessive heat, freezing, humidity, and light. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.